Hello everyone. My innovations of self-taking kit for vaginal infection diagnosis. World first self-taking kit for 3-in-1. Are you during rich, recurrent vaginal discharge and don't want to undergo internal examination right now? Most women prefer not to undergo internal examinations and choose to self-test by buying medication from a pharmacist. The most troublesome thing regarding vaginitis is recurrent infection. If not treated correctly, it will increase the risk of contracting other infections such as sexually transmitted disease. But my innovation product is straight answer to that problem. First, I'd like to show you. Vaginal infection caused by three types of pathogen, yeast, bacterial, trichomoniasis, is increase the risk of HIV or STIs. We have a 156 million new cases of trichomoniasis in Southeast Asia and Western Pacific. From research, vaginal pH volume can detect three pathogens and introduce vaginal pH self-test product. Now, I would like for you all to understand the benefit and use of my innovation. Will how it will revolutionize internal examination. Vaginal applicator consists of silicone polyester and bromochrysogreen indicator. How to interpret vaginal pH value. First, hold the handle between thumb and forefinger, then insert into the vaginal and place about 10 seconds. After that, compare the color. If you infect yeast, a pH value is 4.0 to 4.7, usually lower than 4.5, and a pH value higher than 4.7 may indicate bacterial or trichomoniasis. The bromochrysogreen indicator may turn blue. Next, scan QR code to consulting experts. Is telemedical and telepharmacy. Target market, women grade about 20 and above in Southeast Asia and Western Pacific have had vaginal discharge and undergone internal examination before. Work in service or entertainment industry. Experience vaginal discharge 1 to 2 times per month. Where others struggle, we can provide clear, proven solution to all your challenges. Why? Because it's easy to use and convenient, low price, can detect three causes of vaginal infection, no shame, no pain, rapid or and accurate. Benefit: engage in safe sex, decrease anxiety, minimize the use of antibiotics, reduce expense and time. Product product market. It can detect only one pathogen in 15 minutes and $20. But Genolady can detect three pathogens in 1 minute at just $12. You can get all the benefit we discussed, plus the extra time to focus on what truly matters. Ready to make a check? Thank you for listening. Thank you ขอบคุณค่ะ